So right here we have 1 cup of hot water. I'm gonna put some coconut milk. Alright, half cans of coconut milk. Right here we got some cornmeal, roughly about 3 tablespoons of fine cornmeal. I'm gonna use some milk. That's the cornmeal. Right here we're going to mix it around into the water. Alright. Yeah, cornmeal porridge. Some people don't know how to make this up. So you want to keep stirring, and you don't want it to get lumpy. Coconut milk. Keep stirring it, because it's gonna just get thick up. You don't want it to get lumpy. Yeah. Just keep stirring it. See? That's it right now. Yeah. That's how it look. Alright. Turn on the cooker a little bit. Not too hot. And make it go and cook. cover it. The best is to turn it down because you don't want it to burn. Turn it down because you don't want it to burn. That's the authentic give it a stir. Cook. Alright, then what you can do, just add a little bit of milk to it. Alright, just add a little bit of milk, give it a stir, because it's cornmeal porridge, you know. See that? Yeah, you can add a little bit more. Yeah. If it's too thick, yeah, that's the best way to correct it. Alright, you guys can see. Turn on the cooker a little bit on it. And once you turn on the cooker, you just allow it to make it go and cook. You don't want to have a high heat on it. Beautiful recipe. I'm on cornmeal porridge. Now I'm on in there. Alright. See that? Yeah. Look at that. Perfect. All right. That is amazing. Yeah, man. This is a comfort food, guys. All right. So a lot of people wouldn't understand why Jamaican make this kind of food. But number one, it is comfort food. Number two, it fills you up. Yeah. Turn on the cooker a little bit because you don't want it to burn. Excellent. So it is cooking some more, and we're going to sweeten it up. All right, comfort food. The weather like this, like, you know what I mean, cold outside. So these are comfort food to keep you comfort, but it's also very heavy, so you're gonna have to be careful. All right. Yeah, man. Good vibes. So the reason why I check it, because I don't want it to burn. So I'll keep turning it down. And, you know, you hear it? So you don't want it to burn. Alright. Look at that. Perfect, guys. Real authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Excellent. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some salt. Lovely. You can see it's cooking a little bit more. Because you don't want it too high, you're gonna go and, you know what I mean, mess up your whole kitchen. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Mixed spice. Cinnamon powder. Not the egg. Mix them out. We use some sweet condensed milk. So you can sweeten and taste as it goes on. So you taste it. A bit more salt. That's it right here, guys. is perfect. Perfect. 100%. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah. 100%, guys. That it is it right here. That is fantastic. Cornmeal porridge. If you know to make this one, leave a comments and let me know. Yeah. Comfort food for the winter. Yeah. Excellent. Now we can turn it off and take it out to eat. All right. Yeah. But this is what you call comfort food for the winter ahead of us. So if you live in Canada, US, all of these places, you know, weather is very cold. Some part is very cold, but where we live is very cold. Then you're gonna have to make some comfort food sometime. All right, here it is. All right, that is Jamaican cornmeal porridge, comfort food. Yeah. You can do this at home. All right, comfort food, that's what they call it. All right, yeah, comfort food. All right, people, yeah, I eat that. Thank you so much once again for watching, and yeah, we've got a lot more recipes and ideas for you to try and make at home. So if you like this, you know exactly what to do, why not give us a like? All right, breaking news, we still got the book. All right, from poverty to purpose, Chef Ricardo's secret recipes to success. It is available on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of my brand new book right here. Okay, if you didn't get yourself one, it's not too late. Okay, leave your comments if you want me to make a part 2 and this one again. All right, thank you once again for watching. Have a beautiful weekend and a beautiful Friday morning or Friday evening for wherever you are. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you with the next one, man. A good vibes from Chef Ricardo Cooking and the team. All right, people, you're done. Yes, people, you don't know. See that? I eat that. That's the porridge right here. And also, remember to get yourself a copy of the book. 20 minutes, a little bit long, but it's a full video I want to give you this morning for you guys to watch. Stay blessed.